Welcome to Financial Knowledge. In today's video, we're diving into side hustles, creative and practical ways to make extra money. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, save for something special, or even explore a passion project, this video will provide you with ideas that can fit into your lifestyle. Let's get started. Section 1. Introduction to side hustles. A side hustle is any activity outside of your full-time job that helps you earn additional income. It's not just about money. Side hustles can also offer new skills, experiences, and opportunities. With the rise of the gig economy and online platforms, it's easier than ever to start a side hustle. Section 2. Popular side hustle ideas. 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or programming, consider freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to connect with clients worldwide. 2. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, online tutoring can be a lucrative side hustle. Websites like Chegg, Tutor.com, or even teaching English to non-native speakers on platforms like VIPKid are great options. 3. E-commerce. Selling products online through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon can be a profitable venture. You can create handmade items, resell products, or even dropship. 4. Content creation. If you love creating videos, writing blogs, or posting on social media, you can monetize your content through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 5. Ride-sharing or delivery services. Driving for Uber, Lyft, or delivering food with DoorDash or Uber Eats offers flexibility and immediate earnings. 6. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you're an animal lover, consider pet sitting or dog walking. Apps like Rover or Wag make it easy to connect with pet owners in need. 7. Handyman services. If you're good with tools, offering handyman services in your local area can be a great way to earn extra income. 8. Virtual assistants. Many small business owners need help managing their daily tasks. If you're organized and have administrative skills, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Section 3. Niche side hustle ideas. Let's explore some niche side hustles that might not be on your radar. 1. Renting out your space. If you have an extra room or even a parking space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Spacer. 2. Flipping items. Purchase items at a low cost from thrift stores or garage sales and resell them for a profit on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. 3. Social media management. Small businesses often need help managing their social media presence. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram or Facebook, this could be a great fit. 4. Event planning. If you have a knack for organizing, consider offering event planning services for parties, weddings, or corporate events. 5. Creating an online course. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Section 4. Tips for success in your side hustle. Starting a side hustle is exciting, but it requires planning and dedication. Here are some tips to help you succeed. 1. Start small. Test the waters with a manageable project before committing fully. 2. Set realistic goals. Define what you want to achieve with your side hustle, whether it's a specific income target or gaining new skills. 3. Manage your time. Balance your side hustle with your full-time job and personal life. Use tools like calendars or productivity apps to stay organized. 4. Invest in yourself. Whether it's learning new skills or upgrading your equipment, investing in yourself can pay off in the long run. 5. Network. Connect with others in your industry. Networking can lead to new opportunities and valuable advice. Section 5. Conclusion and encouragement. Side hustles are more than just a way to earn extra money. They can open doors to new opportunities, help you develop new skills, and even turn into a full-time career. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring your options today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Financial Knowledge for more insights on managing your money and achieving your financial goals. See you in the next video.